Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to make Squarespace templates. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply go to squarespace.com and then simply create your website. And let's say you want to sell this template, so you want to sell it to someone else on a marketplace. What you're going to have to do is simply go to your account dashboard and then simply duplicate your website. And after that, what you're going to have to do is simply click on these three dots and then click on permissions here. And then what you're going to have to do next is simply click on invite contributor here, and then you're gonna have to simply give him the administrator access, and then basically he's gonna remove you from this website basically ownership. And basically as you can see, you have here this option transfer ownership, and basically it's the same thing. And basically that's how you can make templates and sell them. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.